Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete step-by-step guide on how to use the TLS Tunnel VPN app safely and effectively. Whether you're new to VPNs or already familiar with TLS Tunnel, this tutorial will help you understand how to configure, connect, import, export configuration files, and optimize your setup. This video is made strictly for educational purposes only. We do not support or encourage any kind of illegal activity or misuse of VPN services. Always follow the terms and conditions of the services you access and respect the digital rights of content creators, websites, and online platforms. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. TLS Tunnel is a free VPN app available on Android that helps users secure their internet connection by encrypting data traffic. It can be used to improve online privacy, access secure connections on public Wi-Fi, and test networking tools and servers. It supports custom connection settings, such as SNI, payload, proxy, and more, giving you full flexibility. Step 2. Once you install and launch the app, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. On the home screen, you'll see a server selection drop-down, a private server option, custom connection method options, import and export buttons for configurations, and a Start-Stop button at the bottom. Now let's break these down one by one. Step 3. To choose a server, tap on the server drop-down. You'll see a list of available public servers from different countries. Tap on any server, e.g., Brazil 1, USA 3, etc., to select it. Tip: if the server list doesn't load properly, tap on the download icon to refresh or update the server list. Step 4. If you have your own VPS or SSH account, you can set it up using the private server option. Tap the gear icon next to the private server section. Enter your server details: IP, host port, short 3 or 80, username, password. Tap Apply to save the settings. This allows you to use your own secure server for maximum privacy and control. Step 5. TLS Tunnel supports multiple connection modes, including custom SNI payload injection proxy, or combinations of these. To configure this, tap the pen icon near the Connection Method option. Select the type of method you want to use. Use payload, use SNI host, use proxy. You can combine them based on your connection needs. For example, to use SNI, check the Use SNI box. Input the bug host or SNI, tap Save. Step 6. You can also select the port number for your connection. Common options include 80 and 443, or you can input a custom port. Make sure it's supported by your server. Choose the port carefully based on your VPN server's configuration. Step 7. Once you've configured the app, you can export the settings as a .tls file to share or save for later. Here's how. Tap Export Config. Enter a name for your configuration. Optional, enable block method if you want to hide server details from others. Choose Save or Share, and select where to store the file, e.g., Downloads folder. Now your configuration is safely saved. Step 8. If someone shares a TLS Tunnel config file with you, here's how to import it. Tap Import Config. Locate the .tls file, e.g., from Telegram, Downloads, etc. Tap the file and it will be loaded into the app. Make sure the file extension is .tls. Otherwise, the app won't accept it. Step 9. TLS Tunnel has a variety of useful settings. Dark mode toggle. Language selection, app filtering. Choose which apps use the VPN. TLS versions 6.2 to OS 3, CPU info, noise toggle, and more. Pro tip: disable the noise feature for a smoother connection experience. If you see a message like device rooted or developer mode detected, it may be because developer options are enabled on your phone. You can disable them in your Android settings. Step 10. Once everything is set, tap Start. You'll see a connection request from Android. Tap OK to allow VPN access. If your setup is correct, TLS Tunnel will start connecting automatically. You'll see a lock icon indicating a successful VPN connection. And that's it. You've now learned how to use TLS Tunnel VPN from start to finish like a pro. This video is meant to educate users on how to securely use VPN apps for personal protection and privacy online. Always use VPNs responsibly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment below if you have any questions or want to see a tutorial on another VPN app. And most importantly, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.